Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So it is still day 2 in Karnataka, the coastal Karnataka, but this technically is the vlog number 3 which I'll be uploading. So vlog number 1 was all about Gokarna and how we had travelled to the local places. Vlog number 2 was an absolute offbeat trek which we did to the Yana Caves, and vlog number 3 is very special because we have travelled today towards Murudeshwar, and I've been wanting to visit this place for a long time, and the Shiva statue is right in front of me. And the best part about this trip is we are just staying in this place, which is this property, and this is the statue which is right in front of us. So even from our hotel we can right away see this massive giant Shiva statue. So let's start with this video. So it's day 3 in Murudeshwar, and technically this will be the third part as well. And a very good morning to one and all. It has been an amazing morning, and the main reason is this. From our hotel, this was our room, and this is an amazing thing. I've been just staring at this amazing statue in the night because we've got this beach view room, and from here we could see how beautiful this is. And in the night it was even lit up with some beautiful lights. So but it was raining also a lot, so I couldn't shoot it very much. But today in the morning it is even looking even more amazing, and we've been trying to go from an hour actually. It is constantly raining, and I'm just wearing this traditional outfit today, so I just want that to get all dirty. So as soon as the rain stops, we'll be right away going towards the statue. Hey guys, so we have done just with the main temple darshan, and there is a lift which goes all the way towards the top if you can see, and we'll be going for that lift after in a while. But now we are going ahead towards the statue, and there is not such any fees as such in order to travel first towards the temple. So you can do the darshan of the temple first. You need to come all the way outside the main area, and then you need to head out towards the main statue. So let's go. So guys, we have just reached at the top now, and this is it. It is so beautiful, it is so massive, and there is also one cave which is there inside the base at which it's situated. So there is a ticket of around 10 rupees to go inside the caves, whose name is Bhattacharya Caves, and we'll be going inside the caves now. So let's go. guys, so that was the statue over here, and now we are going all the way towards the top floor with the lift. So the cave that we went inside, there is a beautiful story which is there, which is told throughout the entire cave. So probably I'll not put that into the entire vlog. I'll probably make an altogether a different video about it. So it's just a combination of the entire story, starting from Gokarna and then Murudeshwar, and how these temples are formed and what exactly was the historic story behind it. So probably I'll put that in later part. And now we'll go ahead to the top floor for the lift. So let's go. This was the amazing place, and that is the main entrance, and just through this road you can reach at this hotel, and very near to the place we were having our room, which is absolutely a beach connected room. That's the beach, that's the temple, and right over here was our room, a beach sea view room. Hey guys, so that top room was ours over there, and this is the view. So that was a very unique way of fishing, and that was an amazing room tour. So this itself is the beach view room which we have got, and right from here we can see the amazing statue. And that is it for the entire Murudeshwar vlog. Now from here we will be going to another bonus destination which was not actually a part of the Coastal Karnataka trip. So what happened was we were trying to even do another further destination which was even south of Murudeshwar, but we were not having that much time, so we had to kind of cut it short. So from here we will be traveling all the way towards the next destination, which we will see in the next part of the vlog. But I'm really surprised that many people are still not aware about this beautiful destination. This statue is the second highest statue of Lord Shiva in the entire world. The number one is in Nepal, and from right from the top, when we had traveled all the way towards the top, the lift which had taken us to the top, the view was so much amazing, and while shooting it gave a bird eye point of view of all the four directions. So this island where the temple is kind of situated, it is covered by sea on all the three sides, and it is just connected by road to the main street. So thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.